Opie's funny. He wants to swim across the lake. Opie, stay close, okay? Can't be going that deep, man. What are you doing? I know you're enjoying the lake. Can't go in too deep. You like the lake, huh? Yes? I love you, Opie. You're a good boy. Just get worried, okay? Don't go too deep. You probably sees the fish in there. Is that what you see, Opie? I know it's big fish in there. They're gonna bite you. You see them, huh? Don't you? Yeah, I see them from here too, swimming around. He's smart. He sees it like right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. You can see bubbles over there. He sees that. He knows there's something in there. Yeah, see it from here. It's big fish. Right there. You guys see that? See that? That's what he's going after. Opie, where you going, boy? He's not afraid, Opie, or anything. Opie, come back. Wanna go back in the water, Beto? Hold on. Hold on. Go get it, Opie. That's cool right here. I should get one of this right here. The water feels good, right, Opie? Get down, though. I don't want you up there. Yeah, it's a crazy story that took place right here in this area like 2 years ago. I almost got into like a knife fight with some crazy maniac. 2 years ago, I'm down here, like 2.5 years ago. Opie was just a baby. He was like maybe like 5 months old. And we were down here in this area here. They were both off the leash. Make a long story short, Opie takes off running up this way into the road, and there was some scumbag there, some maniac with 2 dogs, and Opie was barking at his dogs. Then the guy took out a big ass knife. I ran from here, went after him. When I got there, I see the guy, but I didn't realize that he had the knife was pretty big, but he was swinging it Then I looked at his hand. I was like, oh shit, he has a knife on him. And I just pretty much told him to put the fucking knife down. That there was no threat because Opie, it was just a baby. He was just a puppy, and it just escalated to something else. Because Maverick came. He's a pit bull, and the guy kept swinging. He kept saying, "I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you too." And I had I had something on me. But Opie, what are you doing? I had something on me, but I don't wanna go there, man, because first of all, I don't want to go to prison. Second, I don't want to put my dogs in danger. Stop biting that stick and it's not going to hurt, man. You're too much. Anyway, make a long story short, man, I told the guy to put the knife down. And then eventually he just took off. But that could have escalated to something really bad, you know what I mean? Like if I didn't use my head as far as trying to decrease the situation instead of making it worse, because I could have taken my weapon and that's it, you know what I mean? So I was like, no, I'm not gonna do that. So I just tried to calm him down, and eventually he put the knife down, you know. I mean, if he would have come after me, like because he was just swinging, you know what I mean? But if he would have like come after me and try to stab me and kill me, I would have no choice but to drop him. But what else am I supposed to do? It's a matter of life and death at that point. And my dogs as well. The guy was definitely on drugs, or he was just psychotic. Because there was no reason for that, for him to pull out a knife on Opie just because he was barking at his dogs. I can understand if he was like trying to bite them and going after them and actually doing damage, but Opie was just a little baby at that time. He was like literally like he was probably like 5 months old, like tiny little dog, you know. So this guy was definitely a maniac. That's like you taking out a knife on a Chihuahua dog because he's trying to bite you. Same idea. It's just ridiculous. But I'm glad that I was able to calm him down, and he came into his senses and left, you know. But that could have turned out to be real bad. So every time I come here, I think of what happened, you know. It's crazy how life can change in a matter of a second. That day I left my house, I never thought that I would have got stabbed and killed by some maniac with a knife if it did happen that way, you know what I mean? So it's just crazy how life is. You get up and something bad can happen, you know what I mean? Like just enjoy life, man. Enjoy every second of it, and make sure that you tell your loved ones you love them, because life is too short. I don't need to get like all like, you know, sophisticated and talk about life like that, you know, talk about life, but it's true though. Life is very fragile. So enjoy most of it, you know, enjoy all of it. Even when you're having a bad day, try to make it a good day, you know? Right, OP? Man, I wish I would have brought a cooler to have some beers over here. Next time I come, I'll bring some coolers. I'll bring a cooler and some beers. Bring me a 6-pack. Just have me a few beers down here and chill. I should go fishing here, but I'm not allowed to go fishing here. Then you have to get like a fishing license or something. Permit. Yeah, you could get a fine. Honestly, I'm not even supposed to be here right now. But I don't think the neighbors around here will mind though. I've been coming here for years. Like I said, I don't come here and I'm not loud. I don't come here and destroy the place or try to steal stuff or drink beers and leave the beer cans behind or make a mess here. You know what I mean? Like I'm chilling, you know. I come here just to enjoy the nature, enjoy my dogs, and enjoy life. I've been coming here for like almost 4 years, and out of the 4 years I've been coming here, only one person showed up, and they were really cool about it. They didn't even say anything. They asked me about the dogs, that they were friendly, and then they went on the boat and they went on the lake. They went in the lake, you know what I mean? So people around here, 9 out of 10, people are very nice around here, very civilized, normal. You know, you don't have to worry about fucking violence and ghetto people and shit. Over here it's just peaceful, calm, Everybody's cool. Everybody's chill. Hope you stay around, all right, buddy? So every time I come here, I think of my mom too. May she rest in peace. I was talking to her on the speaker while this shit went down. Like I was down here actually with where you see the boats. I was sitting right there, and then that happened. And when Opie took off, it was just a natural reaction. It happened so quick, and I put my phone on my bag in my jacket, in one of my pockets. You know what I mean? And my mom heard the whole thing, what happened. So she said, I heard that she was like crying, and she got on her knees and she was praying to God for everything, to not to be violent and no one getting hurt. My mom she was a very religious person. She was very religious, like she was a Christian, and her faith was very strong. But yeah, every time I come here, it makes me think of my mom. She's been gone for 2 years now. She died of COVID. Actually 2 years and 2 months. No, 2 years and 4 months. She's been gone. So it's been tough, dealing with that. Your mother is your mother. You know what I mean? You only got one mother in this world. Make sure that you tell your mom every day that you love her. Don't just text her, tell her you love her. Show her too, because words are just words. You know what I mean? Like what really counts are your actions. Is what you do with those words. Words are very simple. Anybody can say I love you. Anyone can say you're my brother. I love you. But that don't mean anything. You know what I mean? It's what you do with those words that makes a difference in this world. You know what I mean? So what I'm trying to say is that just be there for your loved ones. Your mom, take her out to dinner. Just show her you love her. You know what I mean? Believe me, there's a lot of things that I wish I would have done while my mom was still alive. And I was a good son. And even then, she's not here anymore. Where's Opie going? He's over there. Gotta be careful here. I don't want to fall. Drop my phone in the lake. Break my leg. What are you looking for, Opie? It's a beautiful lake. People do go fishing here, but like I said, you gotta have a permit to go fishing. People do go fishing. Like if you're not a member of this area of the lake, hold on, let me see if I can show it to you. Maybe I go there on the way home because it's not that far from my. Oh shit! I'm about to bust my ass, man. Let me see if I can show you guys. Yeah, and I can't really get a good angle from here. Hold on. Oh. Yeah, there's another side of this lake that is public, and you can go fishing there, and you can go swimming. But it has a big sign right there that says no dogs allowed, so that's why I don't take them there. Whatever, man. It's like, what the fuck is the big deal that your dog goes into a lake? You know what I mean? Like, give me a fucking break. Like I said, if they call the cops on me right now, what are they gonna do? Arrest me for being here? No. They'll just tell me to leave. So, whatever, you know what I mean? Y'all wanna jump in the lake, guys? Come on. You're gonna go on this side right here. Opie, let me get it. Let me get it, Opie. Hold on, man. I'll get the big one for you. Hold on. Good job, OP. Look at the size of this stick right here. Hold on, man. I'm gonna get it right now and throw it in the lake. Hold on. Stop. Let me get it first, man. Oh, this is huge. You ready? Gotta be careful with that. I don't want to drop that stick and it falls on them, you know? Hope he's strong. Wow, OP. Come on, OP. Let's go back in. Come on, kid. So, YouTube. Let's get the other stick. Come on. Good job, OP. That's what's up, OP. Handbrake. He hurts his teeth when he bites dying, his gums and his mouth. He just doesn't stop. So what can I do? Go back in. All right, come on. Ready? He's a good swimmer, OP. By the time he was like not even, he was like a month old, he was already swimming in the pool. That was funny. Get the little one, come on. Yeah, I'm gonna give him a bath when I get home. Cause the water smells like dirty and stuff. That's why I don't like about lakes. I don't like the smell of that shit. If I'm gonna swim, I'm gonna go swim on the beach or pool. You know what I mean? I don't like lakes. Good job, OP. Good job, OP. Good boy. All right, let's take a break, guys. All right, just chill now.